now that we're finally done, it's time for Austin Racing exhaust. Take out everything. I will be wearing gloves just to not leave fingerprints on the exhaust, but I mean, after I'm done, I'm still gonna clean it, but I'd rather leave the least amount of fingerprints on the exhaust as possible. So let's get this in. It's pretty straightforward. This end goes in on the opposite side. And then we're just gonna bolt it down here with the included, with the existing bolt, stock OEM bolt. So. Actually, what I did come across, I did a quick mock-up on the other side. I'm gonna remove the silencer, or the canister, however you want to pronounce it or call it. It kind of gets in the way. So what I'm gonna do is just take off this clip bolt here. It's pretty straightforward. With a 8mm, you can just take this off, get my wrench. I can grind it. That easy. Once you do this, should come off very easy. Not like the stock exhaust. Okay. That there. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Pretty straightforward. Side. And this one should come out as easy. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Pretty straightforward. Wrong side. And this one should come out as easy. Alright, let's get this side. So pretty much this slides in. Wait, no, sorry, I got it this way, okay. So we're going this way in. This goes into the existing bracket that's there. This attaches to the new Austin Racing exhaust piping. And then this attaches to the existing exhaust. Now I'm going to install the second piece. Let's go back to the other side. All right, let's do this side. There we go. So I thought I wasn't gonna need this nylon spacer, but we are gonna need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in behind. See if it stays. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite. Put some in there. And then let's put some in here. Alright. Okay. Come on, spacer, stay in place. There we go. Caught on. Now, just use my ratchet. Once we do this, it's pretty much just doing the same thing on the other side. Nice and tight there. Now let's go to the other side. So we're just gonna reuse the existing bolt with the included washer that Austin Racing included. Gonna put some red Loctite. This bolt had red Loctite, so I'm gonna be generous. Pretty much once we install this bolt, we should be good to go to install the springs. So let's go ahead. All right, so now let's get some of the included springs that Austin Racing gave us. So we had the springs installed that Austin provided. So now I'm going to install the canister. So it's pretty straightforward. All right, as you can see there, all we have to do is just put the small 8mm hex bolt that they provided. Get under here. And we should be all set. Now let's do the other side. Alright, so now we're gonna do this side. As always, just get the springs provided by Austin Racing. Here we go. And now all we have left to do is just get the inside corner one. And there we go. Now all we have left to do is install the canister just like we did on the other side. And we should be good to go. Where the heck is this? Wow. Wow. Now that looks sweet. Look at that. That looks sweet. I can't wait to hear how she roars now with no cats. Oh, now all you have left to do is just put the hook back together, and then I'll do a startup for you guys. Well, before I start up, obviously what we're gonna do is we're gonna Brent tune the bike. Once I send him the stock tune, he's gonna send me now a tuned formal bike with the Austin Racing exhaust, which will eliminate the check engine light from eliminating the servo. And then once we're good with that, all we have left to do is start the bike and go for a ride and see how fast she is now. I can't wait. So the S1000 over there, that one's already tuned. And on Brent Tuning, we have a Prokovich exhaust, air filter, and some other goodies. That one's good to go. But now this is the real beast. Let's see how she roars. All right. Thank you, guys.